Let's we continue our discussion. Digital marketing process. Digital marketing process, we have a five phases. First, developing a mission statement. It means mission statement of a organization should match with the marketing. It means any company or any marketer should keep a mission statement. It means mission of the statements should match with the marketing. Second, situational analysis. This involves identification of a problem and getting a solution. It means first identify the problem, what and all problem is there to marketing, and get the further solutions. Next, marketing strategy and marketing mix includes the product, product development, previewing, promotion, placement, place of distribution, marketing mix. Next, media selection. Media selection, it means they should select the media of a for advertising, like a social media or if search engines, etc. Next point and last point in a process, implementation and control. How the digital marketing should be controlled and implemented to the market. This and all the process of a marketing. Next, digital marketing process are a procedures of a marketers procedure, what and all there. First, conducting the research. conducting the research Conducting research for what? digital marketing all Digital marketing is all about the selling a product and a services through the digital mode. Promoters of a product should first decide as to why they have to obtain the digital market, and answer this question will be found by the conducting the research. It means selling of a product and services only, but how to sell, this should be a more problem to the every marketers. This is by conducting the research, by questioning to the consumers what kind of and what quality quantity of a product you are required, like that, and research should be conducted. Next, setting the objectives. After conducting the research or collecting the information from the consumers, we should set the objective. Okay, what level of people or what level of standard of living product will suit for the those peoples. For example, high class people and low class people were there in a society. High class people means how their celebrities and other political peoples, and low class or middle class people and low class people are local, like us, who and all working or workers are managers, like that, and they should set a objective for those people. So what kind of objective? After collecting the information, marketer will know the what they have want to be regard effective selling, and basis of this information step they have to follow. After on the basis of information, after collecting the information, they should follow the as per information steps. Next, digital marketing strategy digital marketing strategy formulating. After setting the goals or objectives, marketers have to create the strategy to achieve the goals. And marketers who are ready to sell the product, or who are ready to sell the goods to the consumers, they have to set a goals. And digital marketing strategy, company aspect such position such positioning strategy, branding strategy. Next, conducting strategy, digital marketing channel strategy, etc. To create the any those to create any of this digital marketing strategy, marketer should review his digital proposition. Next, this means that the marketer have to clearly tell the consumer as what he are offering to consumers. It means the marketer should clearly indicate and clearly inform to the consumers what they are selling and what kind of goods to those people are is targeted to consumers. It means For example, we are selling the one nail polish. It can't sell to the boys no, or the males. It only sold to the females only or girls. Like that, and you should keep a goal, and you should clearly should mention for which people this product will be used. And also we can tell another example also. High heels and flats. High heels are shoes which used by the girls, that cannot be used by the boys or males, that can also used like that, and you should clearly mention. Next, the selecting the channel. In the digital marketing, the two ways of activities, sellers and buyers. There are two way activities. Sellers also have activities, and also buyer also have activities. One side it means seller, one side corporator or a marketer. In a corporator blogs and other social media platform uploaded the product or services features with other details engaged with the web trafficker. It means selecting the channels, the product features and advantages to upload in the website of a companies and blogs. Next, another on the other way, consumer will search on the website for the product of a service. Consumer will search for a products of a services, and they need many, they may or may not get the required product. Consumer may get or may not get the product, but search will be going by them actively. This is the selecting the channels. Under selecting channels we have sub points. Search engine optimism. This means this is the process of optimizing the company's website to rank the higher search engine result pages, thereby increasing the amount of free trafficking company's website receive. By searching the more people will search for the particular one company, then they will increase the more number of visitors or viewers to those website. Next, under that, on page search engine optimism, off page search engine optimism. On page means they in a on page search engine, when they're looking at the website, by researching the keywords, their search volume and meaning, the companies can answer the questions. Readers and rankers are higher on the search engine on page. Next, off page. This is the type of the search engine optimizing. Focus on all activities that take a place of the pages. Next, when the looking the optimizing marketers website. Next point. Next, content content marketing. This is a channel. This is a channel which concerned with the creation and promotion of a content asset for the purpose of generating the brand awareness, trafficking growth, leading website, leading website generation and consumers. It means containing the content marketing. This means this is a one kind of a channel where the creating and promoting the content of in the assets content, what it content, like how to use and what are the features and flavors, colors and the taste of the asset. This is the content of a marketing. In a simple way, in a content, it includes the and publication, colors, size, taste and price of the product. Next, Social media marketing. Social media marketing. This social media marketing. This mode of a advertising of a product or a service through internet promotes the company's brand and a content of a social media channel. For example, in a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. It means social media advertising means when we are searching in a Facebook or when we are chatting in a Facebook or a Twitter, we getting the middle of them advertisement like Reebok and Puma and Asian Paints, like that. It advertisement will come in middle of the chattings. That is called as a social media marketing. Next, pay per click, PPC. In the shortcut, PPC means pay per click. This is a method of driving a traffic to company's website by paying a publisher every time a company advertisement on a click. One of the most common type of a PP is a Google ad. We see the Google ad. This is also same as a media advertising. It means they are sometime it may free or a paid. This is pay. In the name only we containing the pay per click. It means once you pay they will pay for you. Once you click they will pay for you. It means trafficking the company's website for the publishing law. And email marketing, the companies using the email marketing as a way of the communicating with their audience. Email is used to promote content, discount and events, as well as direct people towards the company's website. It means the companies sometimes use the send through emails. For example, once you purchase in a Amazon or a Flipkart, once you purchase any items like shoe or shirt, pant, anything, if you purchase once in a year Amazon or a Flipkart, once you before purchasing you may be registered through the email. They will send even the after every time they will send a message, new product, new brands in a t-shirts or new brands in a shoes, like that they will send in a email. This is email marketing.